Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
The court is only sitting up to 1:30 because it has other boards after that. And they didn't have the time today, so I requested the court that please give me an early date because this is an important constitutional matter and I'm going to argue only on law. So the court was very kind enough to fix this matter for 20th, immediately after admission matters.
20th this month?
20th of this month.
Sir,
No, it will be after admission matters.
Sir, 23rd is the last working day and later on this bench is going to be changed. Do you think in next 2-3 days?
I will not take much time because I'm on a point of law. I can finish my arguments in 1 hour, 1.5 hours maximum. And others also said the same thing. Hopefully, the bench would be able to conclude the hearing before vacations.